We are looking at a celebrity suite on board the brand new Celebrity Apex. That's your touch lock for keyless access to your room. And hey guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. We're at about 511 square feet in total in the room, so I have a standard carpeted entryway. And this is a half bath here. With a phone and all the big suites here on Celebrity. Notice I was commenting about that on the other videos I have doing. And of course you can open this up. Sorry, this is the full bath, so it kind of splits into a half bath. You'll have a door here, a second sink, and you get the standard C.O. Bigelow amenities here in Celebrity Suite. If you go with Royal Suite or higher, then you get the better amenities. So you have a nice step-in shower tub combo here. Looks like glass because there's a, oh there is, yeah, so there's a hinge there. So it's all glassed in. You'll have a rainfall shower head here, two that shoot out horizontally, and then another one down there at the bottom. Same as what I have in my Sky Suite on this cruise. And this door will take you into the master bedroom, but we'll see it from the other side. You have digital thermostat in all the suites with temperature control, lighting control, and the blinds. You have to make sure the furniture isn't, touching it or in front of it. So plenty of extra storage space. They'll give you all the brochures for the spa and the shopping on board, which is excellent. They have Cartier, Bulgari, Mont Blanc shops. And they actually sell pre-owned vintage Louis Vuitton and Gucci as well. So you have a flat screen TV with full infotainment systems. You do all the safety drills here, either on your phone before the cruise, or if you can't, you do it here on the TV once you're board. So I have a writing desk with a flip-up vanity mirror. And an electrical port box here with all the USBs, American ports, and European. So different color palette than the other suites. Each one is kind of unique. You'll have a nice sectional sofa. Welcome Perrier-Jouet you'll have in the Celebrity Suite. And then you'll have full access to the retreat area and the retreat lounge and the sun deck. Private pool and jacuzzi there for all the guests of the suites. Another TV here in the master bedroom. And a full king that splits to two twins. Then you can go straight into the restroom there. I like the side lamps. What else? You get the personal retreat host as well, which is basically a butler service on board with a more contemporary style. And you have a lock here and then security door. So on the Celebrity Suite, you'll have the leatherette-backed seats. And if you're up high here on deck 12, where we are now, you can actually see part of the iconic suite, which I'll have a tour on the Apex here coming up soon. And then a dining chair and two tables there as well. All right, I hope you enjoyed seeing the Celebrity Suite here on board the brand new Celebrity Apex. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit like on the video. Subscribe to Affluent Journeys, that helps me a lot. Share it to your friends if you think they'd be interested in seeing it. And of course, put your comments down below. I want to see what you think about the room. And of course, if you've sailed here in the retreat class, the suites on Celebrity, put your comments so others can learn from your experience and decide if it's something they'd like to try. I am also a luxury cruise agent, so make sure to give me a contact if you're interested in booking your next Celebrity cruise. That applies to US and Canadian residents only. Most of the time I can improve on the offer that you would have by booking direct on your own. I'll be glad to do that for you. And even if you've already booked that cruise recently and directly with Celebrity's North American offices only, sorry, no UK, Europe, or Australia, US and Canada only, I might still be able to improve on that offer and I'll be glad to do it. There are some rules about that, though. It must be booked direct with celebrity, not another travel agent, not more than 60 days ago, and not paid in full. So if you qualify there, I'd love to hear from you, and we'll talk about it. You can contact me today at the phone number down below, or submit your inquiry on the website, affluentjourneys.com. So that's it for this one. Thanks again for watching, and please stay tuned for the next one. Today we're in Mykonos. And yes, if you're on the 12th floor, you'll have the overhang and the rails there. Don't complain.